go. What do you guys say?
Welcome for Wyatt Story. Welcome for Wyatt Story. What are you doing today?
I think you got a surprise ring.
Okay, what's doing it? What's inside? Mummy shark. Mummy shark. This is inside.
Is there anything there? Can you shake it?
Wow. Okay, my stuff inside here is chocolate.
Ooh, what do you hear?
It's cracking.
Do you need help? You got chocolate on your teeth.
In the restroom.
Yeah. Okay, can you hold the video for a second?
Maybe take a picture. Let me put it back here and blow. I see the surprise ring.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, let's clean you guys here so you can see. Hold on, you gotta wait.
It's a mouse.
It's a mouse. Let's see, show everybody. I don't think that's a mouse.
Yes.
Let's read and see what it is.
Let's read the corrections. Let's read the corrections, Mommy.
I think it's a beaver.
Okay. Okay. Wait, let's see which one we got here. We got this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Wait, we got all of them.
What?
We got all of them.
That's so cool. Okay, let's see.
Okay.
Can I read it? Let's see if we can learn a little bit more about a beaver.
A beaver?
Yeah, let's see if we can learn more about him. So, he's a North American beaver. He's found in the rivers. See, can y'all see this? Found in rivers and streams in North America. He eats leaves and inner bark of trees.
Ew, gross.
Is it melting?
It smells.
Ew, well, don't rub it on everything. Here, I'll get you a napkin. Hold on one second. How about, can you tell everybody thank you for watching Wyatt's Toy Reviews?
Ew, gross. No.
Alright, can you say thank you for watching?
It's smashing.
Yeah, well, you got chocolate all over you now. Ew, careful. Say bye, everybody. Thanks for watching. Hey, Wyatt. Alright, bye, everybody. Thank you for watching. We're going to go clean up this chocolate crazy mess.
We're going to get out of the chocolate crazy mess.
So make sure you like my page.
It's like my block up for ice cream. Ew, gross. Ew, gross.
Alright, let's
make this to a pile of slime. A slime to get stuck.
Alrighty. Say bye, everybody. Can you wave? Alright, we're going to end this video. Thanks for watching. When you guys are live, you never know what'll happen. Especially when you're dealing with the toddlers. So, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on Kids and Waffles.
Got chocolate over my hand. I can do this.